Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup tutorial today, so I am gonna go wash my face, put on my moisturizer, and then I'll get to my makeup tutorial. Okay, so this concealer isn't my color. I got it because it was cheap. I don't put a lot because it's not my color, but I just use it to like cover. Oh my god, my lips are so pale. I just use it to like cover up like those stuff. Oh my god. And then here, and I use a damp sponge, and yeah. Anyways, next is my foundation. This one, like the yeah, and it smells really good. I'm so scared it drips on my bed. And I just put it all over my face. Hold up, okay. And yeah, I just blend it out all over my face. Oh my god, look at the freaking bump. Okay, anyways, and then blend it down here as well with the excess foundation. So I think I'm done. And I'm gonna put on some Vaseline because my lips are gonna be crusty at the end of the day. Okay, next I'm gonna use this powder. It's not really a powder. I don't know what it is, to be honest. I was supposed to buy setting powder, but I don't know what the hell I got. And the sponge is kind of shit too. Like, what is this? But I'm gonna use it anyways because it's not important. Okay, it's like you have to trust the process, you know? And then next, hold on, let me go put my stuff back. I'm literally gonna slap myself in the face because I lost my favorite brush. Never mind, I found it. Okay, I'm gonna use this makeup palette. I'm pretty sure it's okay. I'm just gonna show it to y'all. I'm gonna use this brush to slightly do my contour. This color, this one, and down. And then a little bit like here. I'm gonna use this palette. It's called Magnifies Nude Edition. This one. It's my mom's palette. I'm gonna go in with this one. So we just take it and just like go across over the eyelid, the entire eyelid, by the way. Okay, so that did nothing. So we're gonna move on to the next color. This one. I'm just gonna take it. Okay, hold up. I need to see this nicely, okay? Middle to outer, if that makes sense. Vienna, what the hell are you doing with your life? Just take the color and smudge it over your eyelids. The world is too bright. Okay. Girl, what the hell did you do? We can't see a difference. Okay. The next color. We can't see a difference. Yeah, we can't. I'm gonna take this, the second last color. We're gonna use this brush. It's a little slanted. And then we're just gonna go there, okay? You get what I'm saying? Like the end of your eye. Like here and to the bottom a little. Just see. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but. And over here. Okay, so you see what I did here? You just like go down a little with the excess powder. I hope that made sense, because I don't know how else to explain it. I'm a bad explainer. I'm gonna take the third last color, the third one basically, the one beside the whitish thing. It's the middle here. To the front and back. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the second color that we used just now. I'm taking it and I'm going a bit higher to the outward side. Makes sense, right? We're gonna use this one above, to draw the thingy under my eye. So you see this here? I basically just trace that line, like here. Also, like in my pic, I actually eyelined it like really hard, cause if you're gonna eyeline it softly, no one's gonna see it. Yep, I definitely freaked that up. I'm telling you, I may look like shit right now. Later when I post a pic, I look amazing and y'all gonna be like, you got what I'm saying, okay? No one's gonna go out close, zoom in on your face and see every single pore. They're just gonna see from the pic, damn, that's a nice makeup look. How'd you get it? But then they're not gonna zoom in on your base and everything and see all your like little blemishes, okay? No one cares. Why does my eyebrow look like that? It's like, that way.
You have candy.
No. Girl, I'm your candy. It's a Monday tomorrow and I don't feel like going to school. I haven't had a single cup of water since I woke up. I'm gonna take the darkest color, right? No, I'm not gonna do the darkest one yet. I'm gonna take the one that I used just now. Like a sharp brush like that. And you're gonna just go from like here, right? And outline it and go this way. You get what I'm saying? I know y'all have seen it online or some. Just go. Okay. What now is I'm gonna use the darkest color and go through my lash line. You get what I'm saying, right? I'm gonna get copyrighted. I don't know if I want to do my eyeliner, but I'm gonna do it for the sake of doing something new, trying something new. Oh, you so talented. Okay, let's hope I don't. Ah! I fucked up. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go do it and come back. I haven't drawn eyeliner in so long, so it turned out kind of bad. So this is the fun part where it makes your eyes really pop out. So what you're gonna do is take your highlighter. So what I'm gonna do is go use this to go through this part and my inner eye.
Bro.
Take your blush and I go here. Go some on my nose. So, right, highlighter. I'm just gonna go in with my hands. It's Color Pop, by the way. I'm gonna get my highlighter and just get a little bit on my finger and go on here and here. And go like here on your brow bone. Wait, I'm gonna go a little bit more on the blush. Anyways, so right now I'm gonna curl my lashes and do my mascara. Ow! B724, color key B724. And I love this color. And it's glossy. Okay, now I'm gonna go my hair.
Oh my god.
Shut up! Okay, oh my god, I can't believe I successfully finished a makeup look. Y'all can see it's under the flash and all. Damn, makeup really does change someone. Anyways, here you have it. My makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and that you think it's useful, because I definitely did. If I saw this on my own, if I saw this tutorial, I would definitely try it. See, this is what I say. Trust the process, because damn, look at this. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.